Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Tapas app. We go to settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list we search about the application of Tapas app and we click here. In this page of app info we go to first stop and we click OK. Here we will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.